Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering the Telecel Hotspot and confirming the SIM is fully seated and has an active data plan. This prevents wasted troubleshooting. Once done, connect your laptop or phone to the device via Wi-Fi or USB and open the router login page printed on the sticker, often 192, 168, 0, 1. Make sure you can log in with the admin credentials. If you can't access the web panel, try a direct USB tether or a different browser before moving to configuration changes. Now focus on the network configuration. Open the mobile broadband or internet settings and confirm the APN matches Telecel's required string. Incorrect APN is the most common cause of no internet. Once the APN is correct, check firmware. Apply updates only with stable power to avoid bricking. Then optimize Wi-Fi. Choose 4 GHz for range or 5 GHz for speed, set a clear channel, and secure the SSID with WPA2. Make sure client devices forget and reconnect to pick up changes. Finish by rebooting both the hotspot and your client devices. A fresh start often resolves lingering connection issues. Check signal bars and run a speed test to confirm service. If problems continue, perform a factory reset as a last resort, then immediately reconfigure APN and security settings. If the hotspot still won't connect, remove the SIM and test it in another phone to isolate a SIM versus device fault. Finally, contact Telecel support with your account and device, IMEI for network-side diagnostics.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.